Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Emails for Insurance. As an insurance agent, your livelihood depends on your ability to both convince customers to buy a policy and to convince them to buy a policy from your agency. Now, many insurance agencies are already utilizing email marketing to expand their client base and boost conversions. Like most insurance companies, you probably know that insurance email marketing is a powerful tool in your kit. With email marketing, you can attract new leads, cross-sell to existing clients, and build a trusted brand that people trust. Email-based retargeting involves acquiring the email addresses of visitors who left your website to reach out to them in the future. Think of all the possibilities. You'll be able to generate more subscribers for your list, more high-quality leads, and even more sales. Sign up free for Get Emails and lower your cost per lead by 90%. Get a Get Emails account for free today, and you'll start thinking about how you ever survived without them. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions, all the tools you need in one platform without having to duct tape multiple platforms together. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.